Okay, everyone. So it's time for this today's video of this week's theme, which is how to master meetings. So when we speak in meetings, it's very important that whatever point we are trying to make, we make it very clear. The more clear, your ability to make a point very clear makes you more credible and gives you authority and gives you importance in the organization and the company. And you are recognized majorly based on how well can you present an idea. And in today's world, like I always say, that it's more important how to present an idea than to have an idea. Because people who have those wonderful ideas don't get recognition. People who present those ideas, these are the people who are getting recognition. So let's move ahead. So in order to present an idea, so when you present an idea, I don't know why this video gets stuck, so ignore it. So when we try to, yeah, let me just try to fix it. Just give me a minute. Right. So when we are trying to present an idea, when you intend to present an idea, it's important that how is our thought flow? Are we presenting an idea? What is the sequence in which we are presenting our point? How are we making our point very clear? So it's very important that we sound persuasive, along with tonality, along with your vocal presence. It's also important that how crisp and clear are you in articulating that idea. So you need a framework way to start and how to proceed and way to end. That is what we are going to discuss. So one of the frameworks which you can use is called the PREP framework. So this stands for point, reason, example, and point. So you mention the point which you want to mention, your idea or your suggestion, whatever you call it. Then you give a reason for that. Then you give an example why this is important, and then again you recap that point, rephrase it. Let me give you a few examples so that you understand this at a better level. Project update meeting. When you're in a project update meeting and you want to emphasize on the progression of the project, so you can go with, I'd like to discuss the progress of the project X, whichever project you're talking about. This project is a crucial milestone for quarterly goals and its status affects our overall performance. For instance, we've completed market research phase ahead of schedule, which means we can move on to product development sooner. In summary, project X is progressing well, and we need to focus on maintaining the momentum. So I've given this in these four steps. I've given the point, the reason, the example, and again the point. Let's go for another example. Let me give one more example. So this is about budget proposal presentation. I recommend increasing our market budget for the next financial year. The additional investment will allow us to reach a wider audience and generate more sales. Last year, a similar increase resulted in a 20% growth in revenue as we were able to target new markets effectively. To sum up, increasing the market budget is a strategic move that aligns with our objectives. Right. So I'm giving reason, I'm giving an evidence in the form as an example, and again I'm presenting the point. So the third example, final example, is team collaboration discussion. Let's explore how we can improve collaboration between our marketing and sales team. So there are two teams where we need to collaborate. We need to work on how we can have a better collaboration between these two teams. This collaboration is crucial for ensuring our marketing efforts are aligned with sales. Since when we conducted a joint meeting last quarter, we saw a 15% increase in lead conversions. To conclude, enhancing collaboration between these teams will lead to better results and increased revenue. So that is the final outcome anybody can expect, the company can expect. So these frameworks are important because they help us structure our communication effectively. They help us arrange our points, providing a reason, offering an example, and providing evidence in the form of an example, and then representing the point with what could be expected, the outcome which can be expected. So this impacts the clarity of the context of the meeting we are having. So for your task, for this week's task, for today's task, sorry, you have three instances where you can use this framework. So you can use this in proposing a new sales strategy, recommend implementing a comprehensive employee training program, and also in reviewing the performance against the quarterly goals. As a team member, review our performance against the quarterly member. Important for the video not showing up in the middle. I don't know, something wrong. I need to figure it out. Okay, so that was it. This was today's video. I hope you do the task. Again, let me remind you, if you participate, if you actively do these things, this is the process through which you can see improvement, development, growth. So even if it is something out of your comfort zone for some reason, all the progress, all the growth, whichever you can think of, lies beyond a person's comfort zone. You can think of any personality whom you admire, who have achieved a lot in his life. One thing is for certain, that that person has gone way out of his comfort zone to achieve that. More achievement, more the person has gone out of comfort zone. So you decide how much you want to achieve in life, and you can take the decision very wisely for the wise person you are. See you.